India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasni. Daki spangut kinong rap kibalawan haka jingalang kabala penlong hamadan malki hene kasni ka khatlai terik jamang arajar arpuat. Walau slap la jor bula therba hakane kasni. Henry de kamensim joka jingeteli jongki. Kilawan ben kershan hakane kasni. Hakane ka jingalang ran kisnong ki paper kibade nanong kendong. Kilia poi hakane ka jaga ban kershan. Halor ka jingdawa na ka surkar India. Haka kamrap ka jongki. Kane ka jingalang kade juga sengnong rap hakaba. Kilapan long ya kane naga bentang. Hakaba ya day bat ka kamrap karyang jongki nong rap. Ngamar kilaong baki marap jongki hagine kisni kalanang herdor. Nakalyang joka SFU Health Farmers Union kila ay ka jingkershan ni kinong elam jongki nong rap. Na Delhi bandawa naka sorkar bandawa naka benta. Ban pentri kam mika minimum support price. Laong ru baka minimum support price kali kamat baka sorkar India kade ban pendap. Kam dei kamat jongka sorkar jela ban pendap. Henry kade ke isu jongka sorkar India. Akane ka jingalang ladon ru usar VM Singh ubadai inong elam jong kinong rap nam Delhi. Bat Raju Shetty ubadai UMP Bariam jongka Lok Sabha. Bak Komandar Shangtua ubadai Presiden juga HFU Central Body. Bat iba Alofon Karsinte ibade GS juga HFU Central Body. Bat kiwede kinong elam joki district baper kibala don ringkat hagane kasni.
Kaseng ngilapan kre eka memorandum tenrai namar ba ngilahap bat cancel no di inomyo banwan tenrai ngingek scam ngin sapelong gawe gejingalang bagian ai hei ya kadorkas bat ngingek dulu bain ai ru yaki jingdawa jongi kum kinong rap tenrai menta kasni ngidon pat sakawai ka dauba naka menta jongi bani lumlang menta walada menteri sorkar umla banpoi nrengi don pat kawai ka isu kamat ka bakong santam jongi kinong rap hakabana kaliang jongaru baruba alfon ngilalait sa Delhi bat kata kalong hakabayadai bat kata ka minimum support price ngilayo ay jingkran na uraju mene te Henry ngin sanang yo shushu ay jingpen syai na VM Singh ubalong undung yalam jikinong rap jangkari India baro kawai bat ka Hill Farmer Union ro ka Krishan ya kene ka jingdawa jong ka minimum support price jin lada ka don ka an minimum support price kinom rap kinom bread kai ya biskot kinom rap kinom bu stok ya usiing hagi jaga baper kinom rap kinom ikai ya usla terpat hauding kinom rap kinom iput ya upan kinom rap kinom ditat ya kubi kinom rap kinyo ya kabaki day hok banyo ya kador tehnray namar bakam don kaan kata ka minimum support price na takadaw ngimyo ya kador kababiang lada pilay tiat ya uchip uba penkelahi no panjongi lato baik hang tu si pau tingka batsan tingka halek mentah ne hadin dukan malki ong se iti kong aino se kong pra tingka uchip lada ki ayapi kata te kabom la balong namar ka don kata ka an ka baki ong ka MRP ka minimum retail price haka bala fix labu dakador ya kata kamar ka ba ondi lada pilek tiet ya kiwai kimaro labu bet ya kata ka minimum retail price kimar kiba pero la debu tenrai tang ya kimar nong rep ki jongi ba om jubu ya kador lakalong nagliang jang kasorkar lane lakaliang jongi kum kinong.
We enjoy everything what nature gives us, whether it's for us or not for us. Whether it was the pandemic, the corona, we face it. And we return the country in many folds. We give the country, we feed the country. We are farmers. That is why you are here today, to celebrate your foundation day. I congratulate you all for coming here in large numbers in spite of the landslides, in spite of the problems that you faced and you are facing. And if each one goes and tells 10 people as to what happened today on the foundation day and what is the mission ahead, you will see whole of Meghalaya farmers will be in one grip. You have to only be united and go ahead. Hill Farmers Union will not just remain in Meghalaya but all over the northeastern states. I must thank each one of you. The moment we entered Meghalaya from Assam, from Guwahati, we were welcomed by a young girl, I wonder if she's here, and her friends at the Meghalaya border with bananas. It was very sweet. The bananas were sweet, but the gesture was sweeter. Then right now you see loads of vegetables, the garland of betel nuts. It's a tradition, it is something you've done on your own, and Hill Farmers Union, you will go a long way in whatever you want to achieve. You already started. Last year, you had Trinity, the girl amongst you, who got a Padma Shri. Remember that? She told me yesterday on the phone she wanted to come, but for some reason she couldn't come today. You started traditions. From Padma Shri, you'll go higher. Take a stand. Go one step ahead and say, okay, fine. Hill Farmers Union will also give a member of parliament. Hill Farmers Union will also give a MLA from here. Go ahead. The field is yours. Go ahead, take it. You have young people, youngsters, who have the vision, who have the drive. They want to go ahead. Give them support. The biggest support that you can give in turn to every village, as Alphonse just said right now, we shared these things yesterday. Mr. Raju Shetty is a coordinator.
Virginia to lead.